let us take another typical example which can be easily solved by using elimination method. In this, I have written two equations given to us. Put 1 upon root x equals to a and 1 upon root y equals to b. On putting these values, the equation becomes 2a plus 3b equals to 2, which I mark as first equation. 4a minus 9b equals to minus 1, which I mark as equation 2. Say I decide to eliminate b. I multiply the first equation by 3 because it will change it to 9, and I multiply the second equation by 1, then 9b remains 9b. The equations therefore become 6a plus 9b equals to 6. 4a minus 9b equals to minus 1. Since the two signs of b are different, so I add. When I add, it becomes 10a, b gets cancelled, equals to 5. A is 5 upon 10, which gives me 1 upon 2. Substituting this value, in equation number 1, I get 2 into 1 upon 2 plus 3b equals to 2. 2 gets cancelled. I get 3b equals to 1, or b is 1 upon 3. But a and b were never there in the main questions. Therefore, I apply the original value of a and b back. In place of a, I write 1 upon root x and I put it equal to 1 upon 2. Root x is equal to 2. Similarly, 1 upon root y is equals to 1 upon 3, or root y is equals to 3. Squaring both sides, I get x equals to 4 and y equals to 9. Type of question can easily be recognized if you see the coefficient of x and the coefficient of y in the first and the second equation are same. The coefficient of y of the first equation and the coefficient of x of the second equation are same. We should not try and multiply these two equations, but rather we should do it in a different way. First, write the two equations, that is 152x minus 378y equals to minus 74 and 378x plus 152y equals to minus 604, and add them. When I add them, it becomes minus 226x minus 226y equals to minus 678. You will see that this number will be divisible by something. In this case, it is divisible by 226. So, we divide the whole equation by minus 226. It will give me x plus y equals to 3, which I mark as equation 1. Similarly, write the two equations again, that is 152x minus 378y equals to minus 74, minus 378x plus 152y equals to minus 604, and this time subtract them. When I subtract, the signs of the lower equation are going to change, and this time I am going to get 530x minus 530y equals to 530. You can divide the whole equation by 530. It gives me x minus y equals to 1. You can see the first and the second equations, they are very easy ones. Now let us solve the first and the second equation. The first one is x plus y equals to 3. The second one is x minus y equals to 1. If I add both the equations, y will be eliminated. I will be left with 2x equals to 4 and x will be 4 upon 2, which is 2. Substitute this value of x in any one of these equations. So I write substituting the value of x in equation 1. I get 2 plus y equals to 3, or y is 1. So the final answer becomes x is 2 and y is 1.